the fancy farmhouse chicken coop in just 6 short weekends or 18 days. We were able to accomplish all of this thanks to our sponsors at Tractor Supply, who offer chick days twice a year in spring and fall, and also live birds online year-round at tractorsupply.com/livebirds. And all the expert help you could want, and everything from start to finish to get chicken keeping started in your backyard. Let's take a tour, shall we? Groundbreaking began on April the 21st. We started by setting posts in concrete and making sure those were level. Then we began adding subflooring for the storage section of the coop. As you can see, we were well supervised along the way. At this point, we started to stud out the walls and add roof rafters. From here, we're ready to add plywood for walls. Again, we were well supervised by chicken coop building experts. We have the floors in place as well as the walls, and the rafters are ready for the roof. Now it's the time to add paint. Things really start to take shape, and I can see my vision coming to life. I'm so excited at this point to get ready decorating. After everything's in place, it's time to add the roofing and hardware cloth. We use hardware cloth to keep out any potential predators, including snakes and rats. A wall separating the storage section from the coop includes a door from my old childhood home. We're just about ready to add windows and doors, and when we do, everything comes to life. The tin roof is in place. The storage side is decorated. We even have a sitting place so that we can visit with the chickens anytime we like. And now, instead of running back and forth to the garage when it's time to feed, I can just grab their food from the storage section. We used natural limbs for roosts in the ladder. We gave them a spacious run for when they're not out free-ranging during the day in the yard. It's easy to access for people, but not for predators. We used sand as litter, as it's easy to clean. And the baby chickens were so excited about their new home. It only took minutes for them to get accustomed to their new space and really start to enjoy it. I hope you've enjoyed a virtual tour of the fancy farmhouse chicken coop. For more information, visit my website at www.southernrevivals.com.